Here the question is, an object takes 5 seconds to reach the ground from a height of 5 meter on a planet. What is the value of g on the planet? Here t is 5 seconds, h which is equal to s equal to 5 seconds, 5 meter, g we want to find g, thus let g be x. U will be 0 as the object was at rest before falling towards the ground. According to Newton's second law, S equal to ut plus half at squared. S equal to 5 equal to 0 into 5 second plus half at. A is acceleration. A is equal to g into g into t squared. T squared is equal, t squared is 5 squared. 5 equal to 0 plus half into g into 25. 5 equal to 25 g by 2. Here it is for division, it will be multiplied while going to left hand side, equal to 25 g. G is 10 by 25. 25 ones are 10 zeros are. Point, due to point 0 gets added. 25 fours are 100. G equal to 0.4 meter per second. It is second question. The radius of a planet A. Radius of planet A. Let radius of planet A be R A. Radius of planet A is half that the radius of planet B is equal to half the radius of planet B. Let the radius of planet B be RB. Therefore, RB equal to RA into 2RA. We know that radius of planet A, radius of planet A equal to RA. Radius of planet B, radius of planet B equal to 2RA. What must be, if mass of A is ma, mass of a planet, mass of planet A equal to ma, what must be the mass of B? Mass of B, so that the value of G on B is half that the value of it on A. Let the mass of planet B equal to X. What must be the mass of B so that the value of G on B is half. Let the value of G on B be GB is half, equal to half, and let the value of gravity on A be Ga. Therefore, Gb upon Ga equal to half. We can find ratio Gb upon Ga equal to half. We want to find mass of A. Mass of A. We know that G equal to G m by R squared. Then Ga equal to Gma by Ra squared. G B equal to G x by 2 RA squared. GB equal to Gx by 4 RA squared. By taking this, GB upon GA equal to GB Gx upon 4 RA squared upon this value G MA upon RA squared. Here it is divided, its reciprocal will get multiplied when it go up into RA. Reciprocal means ulta. RA squared and RA squared will cancel, G and G will be cancelled. It is half, we know that ratio is half. Here ratio is half, then half equal to x by 4 m a. By cross multiplying each other, 4 m a equal to 2x. Then the value of x is 4 by m a upon 2. 2 1 2 2 x equal to 2 m a. Therefore mass of planet B is 2 m a.